Good morning, dear children, and welcome to Class 3 EVS. Today, we are going to learn Chapter 1, Me and My Family. And the lesson objective is to learn about the similarities between the parents and their children, and also to introduce extended family and new family members. Children, in last lesson plan, we have learnt about nuclear family, joint family, who all will be there in our family, who are father, mother, brother, sister, cousins, the grandfather, and many more. Right? We have included the pets also into our family. So today we will just find out whom we are similar with. How do we look like? Either our mother or our father, or like our grandmother or grandfather. And also we will learn what is an extended family. So let's recap, children. So we have learned about the family tree. So now just have a look at the video.
His mother is Sarita and father is Ramesh. His maternal grandparents are Sita Shah and Prakash Shah. His paternal grandparents are Ravi Sharma and Sheetal Sharma. When his parents married, two families came together and a new branch was added and the tree got bigger. Then, when Ronak came along, another new shoot was added to the branch of the family tree. He has an adopted sister, Roshni. Adopted children also become a part of a family tree. And that is how the tree grows. Different kinds of family: joint family, nuclear family, single parent families. Joint family. In a joint family, grandparents, parents, uncles and aunts with their children live together under one roof. Nuclear family. A nuclear family comprises of only one family unit and consists of parents and their children. Single parent families. In a single parent family, one of the parents has the responsibility of raising the child or children. It does not really matter what and how varied our immediate family is, as long as we all love and look after each other. His mother is
The family, the joint family, the nuclear family, and also the family tree. So today we will learn how do I look like. Means you as a kids, you might be having a doubt in your mind. Whom do I look like? So let's see. Let's read out the text and then we will watch the video to understand more. Who do I look like? Has anyone ever told you that you look like your father or a mother? Members of a family have some similar features. Mostly, children look like their father, mother, grandparents, and but sometimes they look like their uncles or aunts. Sometimes family members also develop similar habits and tastes while living together. So, for example, you like to eat apple, you like a dish with some chicken or something, chicken. So the same way, your father also will like to have. So there are something where the tastes are similar. And at times you may be looking like your mother, you may be looking like your brother, you may be, your brothers and sisters may look alike, and they might be having the features of the mother. So there are so many ways where we look like our parents, or we look like our grandparents, or we look like our aunts and uncles. So let's watch this video, and then we will see. Before that, see here. Tino likes cycling just like his father, and Rajni likes dancing just like her mother. So here there are certain tastes which are coming on to the children, the parents. So likewise, what all do you have? What kind of taste do you have which your mother is having? Right, which what your mother likes, and is it matching with your taste? What your father likes, is it matching with your taste? So for you have to identify, oh, I look like my mother, my taste is like my father. So something like that, where you have to identify your family members. So let's watch this video to understand better.
With your mother or father. I have heard that you are like your mother or your father. So there may be same resemblance of family members in the children. They may be in talking, walking, or shape of eyes, nose, mouth, etc. Hence, you too try yourself by checking with your family members, the old people and others who have special needs. How do you spend with your grandfather and grandmother? They are very much friendly with you, aren't they? And they tell stories also to you. But at the same time, due to old age, they expect some help from you for their daily activities. So you must help them without hesitation. Some people have physical disabilities such as blind, dumb, or deaf. You must help them as they cannot get their needs fulfilled. You should not insult them. Louis Braille, a blind man, found a script for the blind people called Braille script, with which blind people also can read and write.
Have seen the video and we have understood that we look alike our parents, right? So now there is an exercise for you all children. So let's have a look at the exercise over here. Let's try 3. Look at the following images carefully. Spot the similarities among the family members and answer the following questions. So what is you have to find is, you have to find the similarities which are similar with each other. Okay. Baby Millie has dash eye color as her father. So see the eye color of the baby and the father. Are they same or different? Just look at the picture and then you have to answer, children. So the eye color of the father and the and baby Millie are same. The little boy is the little boy in the picture. He has same color dash as his same color blank as his mother. So what is there? Hair or shirt? Shirt. Arav is wearing green in color and his mother is wearing gray in color shirts, right? So what is matching here? Hair. The hair color is matching, black and black, right? The same way, can you spot 3 similarities among Arushi, her mother and her grandmother? One is already done for you. So you have to find the similarities between these 3. Arushi has the same hair color as her mother. Next, you can identify eye color. The eyes are same, looking same. The eye colors are same, right? And they have long hairs. If you just see them, they have the longest hairs as her mother. So like that, you can spot some of the differences and then you can put the answers over here. So now, write yes or no in the following statements. A family tree shows the relationship among family members and friends. Does it show the relationship between family members and friends? No. It shows only the relationship between the families. A family with only one parent is called a nuclear family. What do you call a family with only one parent? Single parent family. And what is nuclear family? Nuclear family is a family where father, mother, brother, and sister are there. So, so it is no. Members of a family may look like one another. Yes, I do resemble like my mother. My son looks like me. So something like that. So it resembles the things. So you have to say yes. So answer the following questions in your notebook. Whom do you look like in your family? So this is something which you have to write on your own. Right, children? Do you have a common way of talking or speaking or any other habit which a family member has? Means so any other habit, like for example, I have a hobby of doing gardening or something like that, right? The same way my mother is also having that habit of doing gardening. So I have a habit of my mother doing gardening towards me. So likewise, any other habits which you have, which a family member has, you can write it down over there. So I wonder, sometimes two children are born to the same mother around the same time. Such children are called twins. They may be two brothers, two sisters, or a brother or a sister. So children, here there is a way where one mother will be there, but two kids will be born, right? And they look alike. Those are called as these kids are called as twins. They are called as identical twins when they are looking same, and when they are looking different they are called as fraternal twins. Okay, so here the twins, they have the same taste, same features and everything. Identical twins have the same, so the resemblance of them will be same. Now children, relatives and extended family. Let's go to the next topic. Who are relatives? Relatives are part of a family. What is an extended family? For example, your uncle gets married. Your aunt has a baby. Your sister has a baby. In these statements, who is the new one? Your uncle gets married. So when your uncle gets married, he is getting married to your aunt, right? So uncle and aunt. So who is an extended family here? Aunt is an extended family. Your aunt has a baby. Now a new member has come and she has a baby. So your aunt's baby is your cousin. So she is an extended family. Your sister has a baby. So when your sister has a baby, they are a baby to us also. So there is an extended family. They all are relatives and part of the extended family. So some kids will be born, some children will be born, right? Some new members will be coming into our family, like when they born and all. So when they start growing out, that family is called as extended family. So let's read and learn. Arun's uncle got married last month. Arun likes his aunt a lot. Yesterday she baked his favorite cake for him. Like Nagma and Arun, we should also welcome our new relatives with love. This will help them become a part of a family. So uncle has got married. So when somebody is getting married, we invite them and we will be giving them a party or something like that, dinner or something. So here also they have, they call the relatives, they call the uncle and aunt, and they started spending some time with them. So they have made their family extended by welcoming the new member into their family. Meeting family members. Do you all relatives live with you in your house, or our relatives are a part of an extended family? We meet them from time to time on different occasions like festivals and celebrations. So we will be meeting our family members. Some of our family members will be in villages. Some of our family members will be along in our city nearby or something. But when we get some festivals or something like that, we all come together. So we are meeting our family members during festivals. Now, relatives and new members of a family. Our aunts, uncles, and their children are our relatives. They are also a part of our family. We call them as extended family. Our family grows when new relatives join our family. Nagma's mother gave birth to a baby last week. He's so cute. She loves her newborn baby brother very much. So a person has come into the family and they started welcoming it, right? So these are something about the relatives and new members of a family. So we should welcome the new members in our family. We should respect them. We should really have a relation with them, and then that too a very good relation with them. Now, so there are some questions which are there, children, and let's try 4. So these questions, what we will be doing is I'll be giving them in the notebook, which you can copy down in your notebook. Now, conclusion. So today, what we have learned about the whom do I look like, recapitulation of our family members, joint family, nuclear family, single parent family, and making a family tree, and all these things. And after that, we have got to know whom do I look like and what are the tastes. We will be able to identify that. And after that, we have learned about the relatives, who are called as relatives, and what is an extended family and all. So what I want you to do is read this section, meeting family members, and read this section, relatives and new members of a family. Thank you so much, children.